how to turn off keyboard sounds on iPhone iOS 26. So one of the way how you can turn off the keyboard sound is to use the action button here. So if you press and hold on to the action button, it will go into silent mode. Here you can see if I start typing on the keyboard, it will be quiet and will not make any sound. So that's just one of the way you can temporarily turn on silent mode to turn off keyboard sound. Now if you want to turn off just simply the sound on the keyboard and not other sounds, then you can turn the action button or the silent mode off. So here I can press on the action button to turn off silent mode, and what you can do is go into settings. Now in settings we go back to the main settings page, and in here you can see if we go down to sounds and haptics, at the top here make sure silent mode is switched off, and if you scroll down and tap on keyboard feedback and then turn off sound, this will also allow you to turn off the keyboard sound, so that just for the keyboard only, all your other volumes still works perfectly here. So if we go back into settings and turn on sound, and if I start typing on the keyboard, you can hear a small sound. Okay, so the sound is very gentle, but the sound is there. So that's how you can turn off keyboard sound on iPhone iOS 26.